Hello YouTube, welcome back to the Web Gear Review. Today I want to show you how to assemble the M-1928 Haversack pack system. There's basically 5 components to it, and what you have is you've got a meat can pouch. You have this leather strap right here. You got to have an M-1910 type e-tool carrier. I suppose you could use a different type. Of course, you got to have the Haversack. That goes without saying. And you got to have the pack tail carrier right here. So what I like to do is I like to start with the entrenching tool carrier. So you start by simply putting this M-1910 type of hanger on here. Very simple to do most of the time. Okay, just make sure your 1910 hanger is actually hanging down in there like that. Okay, and then at this point, you see these D-rings that I talked about in my other video for attaching. You got 4 of these. Notice you got 4 buttonholes right here. Okay. Simply lay that there. You take this top D-ring, you got to kind of protrude it out there, stick it through that buttonhole right there, okay? Put your finger behind here where you can stick it up or whatever you want to use. Slide this strap through there and pull it tight. Do the same thing on the other side. Get the D-ring, pop it up, stick it through the buttonhole. See that? I got it coming up through the buttonhole right here. I'm going to take this strap, run through there. There you go. We're halfway home. Okay, same thing. Sometimes I'll just take the e-tool carrier, kind of bend it out of my way. I'll take that D-ring, stick it up through the buttonhole once again, pull this all down, run this strap right through here, make sure you come out on top of the canvas, pull it through there, pull the flap tight, pull that tight, repeat, same thing over here. I kind of bend that out of my way. Pull that up, push it through the buttonhole, like that. Run this strap, the retaining strap through there, and pull it tight. Kind of fix your e-tool carrier where it's laying flat. Lay this down, once again, pull the flap tight. And there it is. It's attached to the lid. You got your e-tool and you got your meat can pouch. All fastened to the lid of the M-1928 Haversack. Now, in order to do this next step, you've got to kind of open up the bottom of this pack where it can kind of lay flat like that. See, because this pack tail carrier, it's going to go right in here just like that. So what I like to do is lay it like that, lay it on top here, and then take it and flip the pack over. That way you know you have the proper orientation of it, okay? Just get all this junk out of your way, because you don't need it. However, you got to have this leather strap, okay? Now this leather strap, this strap comes off the top side. If you'll note, this buttonhole right here, let me get more centralized under the camera here. If you note, this comes off the top side. This buttonhole seems to be off center to the top side. So take this, stick it through that buttonhole right there. Pull it tight. Go through this buttonhole right here. It has a buttonhole that's off center also, right there. Sorry, I know it's hard to see. There you go. Pull that through there. Pull that through there. There you go. So you're well on your way. Now take this leather strap, go down through this hole here, pull it tight. Go ahead and position this through here to pull it tight. And the reason I do that is because that kind of centers my attaching strap, okay? But this just simply goes plumb down through that other buttonhole that is in the same place. Let's turn it over like this. Be easier to see. Okay, see, we're gonna lace it up. We're gonna go through that same hole right there. There you go, right there. See that? Got this strap through here. Now, I'm not sure what this here is for, except for maybe it was just to put that on. I don't know. It's kind of how I do it. If you out there, YouTubers, know what this is and what it's exactly for, I would appreciate if you leave it in a comment section below, because I'm the kind of guy, if I don't know something, I like to try to find it out. But you just put that through there. Once again, you run that through the same hole and corresponding to that hole. Same thing. Now you weave this back up through that hole. You just simply lace this up. And you stick that through there. Once again, you go down through this hole, which puts you down through that hole. And voila, that side is laced. Now let's lace this side. Maybe you can see this side better because it's at a better angle for the camera. Okay, that goes down through there. Goes right through that same hole on the bottom of the pack tail carrier. Pull it through. It goes up through the pack tail carrier, through the bottom of the haversack. Okay, here it is. One more time. Go down through the haversack, through the pack tail carrier, right there. Pop it through there, and there it is. Just kind of stretch it all out, make sure it's all nice and good. There you go. And that's how you attach the pack tail carrier to the haversack and the meat can pouch and everything else to the haversack. Thanks for watching the Web Gear review, and I would really appreciate it if you guys like these videos, if you would hit the like button. That'll really help me in the long run to grow this channel. Thanks for watching Web Gear review.